Hey there, it's your girl Tech Life Steph, and if you're still searching for the perfect gotta have it gifts and ideas, check this out. Here's a great DIY gift idea. Whether you're a master craftsman or an everyday crafter, the Festool Systainer Organizer SYS3 will keep all the tools of your trade organized, protected, and accessible. With the ability to transport and find small parts easily, you truly get a place for everything. Plastic containers that can be individually configured and a clear lid make the Systainer Organizers the perfect addition to any workspace or craft room. It's the ideal gift to help the DIYer or pro in your life stay organized and efficient. You can find this and more at festoolusa.com. For everything I covered, including links, just head to inthenews.tv or check us out on Instagram at inthenewstv. Happy holidays.